Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to open Google Calendar. So for you to open your Google Calendar, open your browser. Then if you are using a Chrome as a browser, if you are using Google Chrome, then in this process, because by the time you open your Google Drive and by the time you open your Google Chrome, then you should have the Google option menu right here at this corner where my mouse is exactly. You have it somewhere around here. But if you're using Microsoft Edge, just like this, just go to your search bar, then type google.com. Okay, no mistake. Good. Google.com. Okay, then you hit. Once open, then right here you have this Google app icon. Then you click on it, but before you click on it, make sure your mail is logged in. So I'm gonna switch to my Gmail. Okay, this is it. And you can see I'm logged in. Then this is where I can have access to all the Google app. Then I'm going to navigate and click on calendar. A few seconds to load. You can see Google Calendar, and that's it. That's how to open Google Calendar. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.